Hello everyone! Welcome back to our Figma beginner course. In the previous lesson, we learned how to create a free Figma account, explored the browser and desktop versions, and looked at community files and project organization. Today, we're going to take a complete tour of the Figma interface. By the end of this lesson, you'll know where everything is and what each section does. Let's get started. I'm currently inside a Figma design file. At first glance, the interface may look overwhelming, but don't worry. Almost everything you'll use is organized into just a few main areas. We'll cover the toolbar, the left panel, the right panel, the canvas pages. Once you understand these areas, using Figma becomes much easier. Let's start at the bottom center of the screen. This is called the toolbar. The toolbar contains the tools you'll use to create and edit your designs. Here are the most important ones. Move tool. The Move tool lets you select, move, and resize objects. You'll probably use this tool more than any other. Frame tool. The Frame tool is used to create screens, artboards, or containers. For example, if you're designing a mobile app or website, each screen usually starts with a frame. Shape tools. Here, you'll find rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, polygon, star. These are used to create buttons, cards, icons, and many other UI elements. Pen tool. The pen tool allows you to draw custom vector shapes. This is useful for creating icons and illustrations. Text tool. Click the text tool to add text anywhere on the canvas. Actions. This button opens components, UI kits, plugins, and widgets. We'll explore these in future lessons. Now let's look at the left side. This panel helps you organize your design. There are two main tabs. Layers. The Layers tab shows every object in your design. Think of it like folders on your computer. Frames contain groups. Groups contain shapes. Shapes can contain text. You can rename layers, hide layers, lock layers, reorder layers. Keeping your layers organized makes editing much easier. Let's talk about pages. Pages help organize large projects. Instead of putting everything on one canvas, you can create separate pages. For example, cover, wireframes, mobile design, desktop design, components, final design. This keeps your files clean and easy to navigate. You can create a new page by clicking the plus button next to pages. As your projects grow, using pages becomes very important. Now let's move to the right side. This is the Properties panel. The options shown here change depending on what you've selected. For example, if I click this rectangle, I can edit width, height, position, corner radius, fill color, stroke, effects, opacity. If I select text, the panel changes. Now I can edit font, font size, font weight, line height, letter spacing, text alignment. This panel is where you'll spend most of your editing time. Whenever you want to change something, look here first. The large empty area in the center is called the canvas. This is your workspace. Everything you design appears here. You can zoom in, zoom out, pan around, create multiple frames, arrange designs. Think of the canvas as an unlimited sheet of paper. You can design websites, mobile apps, social media graphics, presentations, posters, and much more. Let's quickly review what we learned today. We explored the toolbar for creating and editing objects, the left panel for layers and assets, the right panel for editing properties, the canvas where all your designs are created, pages to organize larger projects. Now you understand the basic layout of Figma, which will make learning new tools much easier. In the next lesson, we'll create our very first design in Figma and learn how to draw shapes, use frames, and navigate the canvas like a professional. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.